talked about, in the past, we've talked about P, NP complete, and EXP. Remember that? The different classes of problems. There's a little bit, at least I found last time, people a little confused. So I put the definitions here. It says polynomial function. A polynomial function is made up of terms that are only added, subtracted, and multiplied. Okay? They're sums of variables, sums of exponents, that kind of stuff. They're algebraic expressions that include real numbers and variables. Division and square roots cannot be involved, and they have to be whole numbers. They can only include addition and subtraction. So a P problem cannot involve division, cannot involve decimals, stuff like that. So again, it's a very basic problem, like searching for a bunch of books. It's real basic stuff. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Okay? So these are all P problems. 3x, x minus 2, so on and so forth. They're all easy. And the numbers can get large. They're still not difficult. That's a P problem. Okay? EXP functions. It's exponential because now we have a 0.5. Okay? It's a non-integer power. Now it's a decimal number. Okay? Okay? Second one includes division. It says, or any problem that can't be solved in polynomial times, such as the knapsack. It says, it would take forever to search every combination of a simple knapsack where the numbers are 2 to the 200th apart. Hopefully you all remember that. The numbers in the knapsack are 2 to the 200th apart. Was that on this test? It's on the next one. Okay. How big is 2 to the 200th? That's how big it is. And those are how far the simple knapsack numbers are apart. And if you have 200 digits, each one's this far apart, that's one big number. Okay? All right, now let's talk about hash functions. This actually pertains to forensics as well. Some people have a hard time understanding what a hash function is, or a one-way function. It says, how long will it take to put this windshield back together? Could it be done to get that? I say no. Because you can't. You can't go backwards. A hash function cannot be done backwards. You cannot decrypt it. Okay? All right, here's MD5. Okay? Here's an MD5 hash. Okay? Bunch of stuff. Okay? That was produced by, this is a super secret message. So I took that string, encrypted with MD5, and got that hash. Okay? That, totally different. Do you agree it's totally different? Was produced by, this is a super secret message. I changed one character to an H, capital H. So I changed one character, and this, look at the hash values. There's no way you could take that and get back to what you started with. Okay? So I added these slides last year because it was some people kind of iffy on what a whole hash function is and one-way functions. But you kind of understand what I'm saying here? Same message, one letter was changed slightly. It's actually the same letter, it's just now uppercase. But look at the difference in the hash value. Okay, it is totally different. Okay? A little better understand.